In this video, we'll look at different ways that you can set up pricing for races or regattas. First, we will look at the different pricing structures that Nautical Cloud offers. Price details are listed on the Details tab in Race Details. The drop-down menu offers 4 options: same price for all entries, price list, use only division options, and free entry. Same pricing for all entries. Applying the same pricing for all entries means that regardless of the length, class, or division, every competitor will be charged the same fee. The only exception to this rule is if a competitor incurs a late entry fee or is entitled to a membership discount, which we'll discuss in more detail later. The fixed fee amount is the set price that competitors will pay for the race. Here you also have a drop-down where you can select the currency that the fees are charged in. Price list. Price lists allow you to band entry fees based off a boat's length. To use a price list, you must create one first. This is done by navigating back to the list. Select Finance, and then Price Lists. Here you are able to edit or create a new one. After adding a new one, you'll be taken to this screen where you're able to name the price list. This is what you'll see in the drop-down menu when creating a race with a price list. Here is where you can select what units the price list is set in. You can choose between meters or feet. When setting up your pricing structure, overmax price per unit refers to the fee charged if a boat exceeds all bandings. It's the fee they'll pay for each unit they're over. Additionally, the maximum price for race entry feature lets you set a maximum fee limit for the overall race entry. Clicking the Add button lets you create price bands. You have the ability to set the minimum and maximum values for each band. Apply using the feature, you can select between 2 pricing methods, within band pricing or per unit pricing. Within band pricing, a boat pays a fixed fee based on the band it falls into. With per unit pricing, the boat is charged a fixed amount per foot or meter. In the pricing section, you can set the fee for each band if you've chosen within band, or the rate per unit of measurement if you've selected per unit. Use only division options. To use this pricing structure, you must have divisions already set up in your race. If you choose not to use this price structure, the selected option will override the price configured in the divisions. When in the Race Division tab, you're able to set pricing up by selecting the drop-down menu for the division and then Pricing Options. This brings you to a drop-down menu that offers 4 options: Use Price List, Use Set Options, Free Entry, and Same Entry for all. Price lists within divisions work the same way as when you price the entire race. Here, you have a drop-down menu that allows you to select the price list you want to apply to each division. The Use Set Pricing options allows you to let the entrant choose an option to pay. For example, multi-day or one-day entry. Here you are able to add options. You can select what order this option is listed in, the price that the competitor will pay, and you can also give a description of the pricing option as well. This is what a competitor will see when entering a race using this pricing. In the race details, you have the option to allow competitors to enter multiple divisions or only one. Free entry and same for all entries work just like they do if you were pricing for the race or regatta with same entry for all, giving you the option to enter a price for that division. Free entry. When choosing the free entry structure, all other price fields will be removed. In this section, we'll explore additional price tools that you can use to charge for races. Late entry fees can be charged when a competitor enters a race after a specific date. This can either be a percentage of their sign-up fee or a fixed amount. You can easily adjust this by using the late entry fee as a fixed amount toggle. Membership discount. Race entries signed up through Nautical Cloud and affiliated with the AA club hosting the race can receive discounts, which are applied as a percentage off the entry fee. Additionally, you can set a maximum discount limit. Allow pay later and deposit. Allow pay later can be toggled on or off. When toggled on, the race officer can set a date and time by which the final payment is required. Additionally, you have the option to take a deposit at the point when the competitor signs up for the race. The deposit can either be a percentage of the entry fee or a fixed deposit amount. Lastly, you can toggle on or off the add deposit to entry fees. If enabled, the deposit will be added to the price for the race. If disabled, the deposit will be deducted from the price. Note, if you have our autopay feature enabled, entrants can store their card details for the race office to automatically charge at a later date.